So you guys know that Kemp revealed that she was supposed to go on a Jayda and Des Dior podcast, which is called Act Normal Podcast, but she said that they could not afford her fee.
Now, come on, now, nieces and nephews. All I said was, they act normal peoples, ain't that's their podcast. They reached out, they emailed us, my management. They want me on a podcast tomorrow. Now, this was Wednesday. They sent an email. They told them my price. They said they don't have it. They can't afford it. So guess what? I told my management this. They could afford their Birkin-Dirkins and their Chanel-Adellas and all that other stuff they got. You can't clock your auntie 2 days for anything to come turn up your stuff. And you go say you ain't got it. Come on, girls. Go tell the baby to cough it up then. A future or somebody then. I don't want to hear that. Don't hit me then. Bye. What you thought I was finna come over there and do? Huh? I just want to know. I should have told her to ask them, what was their budget? What was their budget? That what I should ask. You can't act Richie and be Richie on the gram and then think you call me and come on your show to give you some ratings because I already went to the page and it ain't number 46,000 followers on there, and every little clip you putting on there got 200 likes and no comments or 4 comments on it. So obviously you need me for your season 2 to turn it, you get your things up or whatever. But it don't work like that. You over there with the Birkin-Dirkins and all this stuff and all of you ain't tell me you. And then it hit me 2 days prior to what that supposed to be double wobble. Girl, you must have had a jetty jet come pull right here on my block and pick me up and take me where I fit go at or something. Huh? Oh. Wait and Dazzy Wazzy, y'all portray to be rich. And to say you can't afford my fee? They hit their management up day before yesterday. What's the day? Yeah, Tuesday night. You know how fast of a sudden that is, little girls. Dazzy Daz and Jada Waiter. Act Normal Podcast. I went over there and checked y'all out. Y'all need me. To sit here and say you ain't got the fee and you Birkin-Dirkin out. Girl, I almost said something about y'all, but I like you little girls. You're cute. I really wanted to come sit on that couch and act normal with y'all because I want to ask y'all about y'all friend who was just over there with my BD. They knew better. Yeah. I put a big number on it. You don't call me 2 days in advance and want me to come to a whole nother city and turn around and say you can't forward me. First of all, baby, if you call me 2-3 days prior, you must got a jetty jet to wing me, ding me up out of here, baby. And you got it. Y'all got it. So listen here. I don't like girlies like y'all. Y'all just want to shine for the gram. You ain't about your business. I went over to your Act Normal page. I go over there right now, bro. I ain't hating or nothing, but I'm just saying. You got 46,000 followers for your Act Normal podcast. It's not enough. Listen, girlies, the way I would have turned y'all up a notch or two, you'd have had your 200,000 followers overnight. You get what I'm saying? Not only that, you can't even get a comment or two on some of this stuff. You cute. Everything's cute. It's your aesthetics and your outfits. We know you're rich, but you gotta invest. You got me? The bags. We don't want to see them on your podcast. The shoes and outfits, the cutesiness and all that. We don't care about that. You guys to pay how you weigh, cutie bugs. Auntie gonna teach you that too. Don't you never reach out to no grown woman 2-3 days prior talking about booking her to come to a whole nother city and you talk about you can't afford her fee. Yes, you can. You wanna get ready with me? Unbox with me all day long, riding around in your made up backbacks. Come on.
So shortly after this, Jada did post on her TikTok, and a lot of people felt like it was shade towards Kemp.
I don't have a care in the world. When you're getting money, you don't have a care. Roger that. Roger that.
So people started commenting things like, but you couldn't pay Tia. Saying this right after Tia is diabolical. Why y'all playing with Auntie Tia like that? Pay the fee and get Auntie Tia on the podcast, please. I never watch y'all podcast called Tia Back. I'ma watch that episode. Someone else said, get Auntie on the show, Miss Richie Rich. TikTok need a timestamp and day LML because I need to know if this was posted after Tia post, and it was. Someone else then says TikTok's so messy. So do you guys feel like Jada is shading Auntie Tia out here, because her video was posted after Kemp basically came out and said that her and Des Dior cannot afford her fee? But you guys let me know your thoughts and opinions on this down in the comment section below. So moving on to the next topic, which is still about Jayda Cheaves. You guys know she was facing a lot of backlash for her $70 lash kit. So she responded on TikTok and said, y'all do know the more y'all talk about somebody, it only makes them trend more in the algorithm, which then means somebody is going to take interest in that person you're talking ish about, which then turns into a new supporter / sale. So you voicing your opinion is only making them more money, especially a person with a link in their bio. We get that, sis, but yet people are still calling you out for the fact that your lash kit is $70, and I see a lot of people saying that it should not be that much, and I see a couple of people saying like, hey, if you buy it, you buy it. If you don't, you don't. If you don't buy it, you just broke because that's a good price. But I see a lot of people saying that that is too much, and like I said in my previous video, I don't wear lashes, so I don't know if that's a good price or not, but I want to know you guys' thoughts and opinions on this. And not to bring this up or to be messy or anything, but it seems like ever since Jada came out with her beauty brand, it's been nothing but backlash since it came out. And I haven't heard nothing about Ari's line, and I'm not trying to be messy, y'all. I'm just saying I haven't heard any bad things or any negative reviews about Ari's makeup line or cosmetic line Remedy by Ari, but it's like ever since Jada came out, you just hear one thing after the other. Everything she puts out, the lip combo kit, the lash kit, everything she puts out, she literally faces backlash for it. But I want to know you guys' thoughts and opinions on this down in the comment section below. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.
I'm here to tell you, if you get that $70 lash kit, you're green as hell, and you're a pick-me. Because, girl, you can get that for $10 on Amazon and on TikTok Shop. And if you're going to pay $70 plus shipping, plus handling, plus tax, really ends up to 80 something dollars. Girl, if you don't just go get you a full set, these celebrities have fucking lost it. And if you come on here saying like, just trying to defend that period, or buying it, baby, you're a pick-me. You need to stop idolizing people because you're buying it for the name, which is Jada, but still, that's weird because you should never idolize anybody but God. But no, for real, y'all pick me if y'all sit here try to justify us not wanting to pay $70 for some thin classic lashes.